We're trying to just took it out. And Flower Garden's YouTube channel, they were cooking the Andorra food. Escudella. We are making Escudella.
Try to use like a saw. So Flower is chopping up the steak into cubes.
You made it now cube.
Okay, so we got some more organic seashell pasta. Just gonna brown that. So Flower pouring in the seashell pasta.
Listen up.
So next we got the butternut squash. I'm gonna slice that up.
You are a superhero now.
Wow, thank you.
Oh my, you're just like a chef.
Oh, thank you. So we got a beef soup base here, Campbell's. Flour's. We don't have any bone marrow, so we're just gonna add that beef soup base right now. Flour's just adding some corn.
Are you cutting carrots?
A teaspoon of fennel seed in there. Just a teaspoon. That's enough. Okay, that's enough.
Oh, there's some corn inside here. It's done.